Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in respiratory care. Brought to you by LucidQuest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of respiratory health. Vertex has received a positive opinion from the European Medicines Agency's Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use for an expanded label of Kaftrio in combination with ivacaftor for cystic fibrosis. If approved, the expanded label would make the treatment accessible to an additional 4,000 patients in the European Union, including those aged 2 and older with specific non-class 1 CFTR mutations. In other news, Amgen and AstraZeneca's Tezspire has demonstrated significant success in the Phase 3 Waypoint trial. The results, published in the New England Journal of Medicine and presented at the QuadAI and WAO 2025 conferences, show that Tezspire significantly reduces nasal polyps and congestion in patients with chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps. The therapy reduced the need for surgery by 98% and systemic steroid use by 88%. Jasper Therapeutics has announced positive safety and efficacy results for Briquilimab in the Beacon study for chronic urticaria. Briquilimab, which targets c-KIT for mast cell-driven diseases such as chronic spontaneous urticaria and asthma, is now set to advance to a Phase 2b study by late 2025. Meanwhile, the FDA has accepted applications for GSK's Depemokimab in asthma and chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps. If approved, it will become the first ultra-long-acting biologic with 6-month dosing. The applications are supported by data from the SWIFT and Anchor trials, which showed significant reductions in exacerbations and nasal polyp size. In less favorable news, Pliant Therapeutics has discontinued its Phase 2b Beacon IPF trial for bexotegrast in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis due to adverse events. Despite safety concerns, some early efficacy signals were observed. Pliant plans to analyze the data further to assess potential paths forward. Turning to infectious disease preparedness, Shionogi has partnered with Osaka Metropolitan University to develop the Osaka model for combating infectious diseases. This initiative focuses on advancing diagnostics, establishing clinical research networks, and enhancing public health readiness to create a resilient healthcare model for Osaka and beyond. Savara has launched a new finger prick blood test for autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis, or APAP. The test, which measures GM-CSF autoantibodies, demonstrated 100% sensitivity and specificity. This advancement aims to reduce diagnostic delays and improve outcomes for patients with this rare lung disease. Finally, Atir Pharma has announced that its Phase 3 EFZO-FIT study for efzofitimod in pulmonary sarcoidosis has passed its 4th Data Safety Monitoring Board review without any safety concerns. The study will continue as planned, with top-line results expected in the third quarter of 2025. Want to stay ahead of the latest respiratory health research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.